Hey parents, my name is Daniel Stetson, and I'm your child's 8th grade social studies teacher. 8th grade social studies is the study of South Carolina. And we'll be examining our state's history as well as the way it fits into the history of the United States. We do have new standards this year, and those standards focus on historical thinking skills. I think these skills are really going to help your child in future social studies classes and make them a better critical thinker overall. If you want more information on our class, you can check our course requirements. It has information about the content, our test redo policy, late work, and our grading policy. Those requirements can be found on our Teams page under the Frequently Asked Questions channel. I also attached those course requirements in the email I sent out at the beginning of the year. If you didn't get an email, that's probably because I don't have your email address. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, or if you want to just make sure I have your email address. My address is daniel.stetson@richland1.org. Everything that we do this year can be found in Teams. Assignments are posted there, and each assignment has the due date. You can also see in Teams if your child has turned in the assignment. It's worth noting that on my end, I can see if students have opened assignments, their progress on those assignments, and when they were completed. Grades can be found on PowerSchool. If your child needs their PowerSchool login, they can contact me and I'll be happy to give it to them. The most important thing for your child is that they show up each day ready to participate and work for the full 40 minutes of class. I've tried to structure the class so that if they make the most of their time, they'll have very little work to do outside of our class time. However, if they ever need extra help, I'm available each day during RTI time from 2 o'clock until 3:45. Your child's class has a specific day they can meet with me during this time, but I am available any day during this time for extra clarification or extra help. If a student has multiple missing assignments or needs to retake a test, they may be required to come to RTI time. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know that this has been a strange start to the school year, and these 8th graders are being asked to show a level of maturity and responsibility that I'm not sure I was capable of at their age. I'm confident that they can do it though. Good communication is more important than ever, and I hope you will encourage your child to reach out to me anytime they have a question. Same goes for you. Don't hesitate to contact me with any questions or concerns. Again, my email address is daniel.stetson@rich.org. Thanks so much again for watching the video. I know we're going to have a great year. I hope you have a great day.